Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing here. Checking out the Homet outdoor umbrella cover. So a lot of the umbrellas that you buy, you just got an outdoor patio umbrella, but they're not really meant to be outside. Even though they're outside, the wind and rain and stuff can kind of beat them up. So not sure why they're not made out of more resistant material. But we got this cover for the umbrella. So this is it. Comes in a nice little baggie, and this is supposed to be like waterproof and extra durable here. So I'm gonna actually go put it on the umbrella and show you how it works, what it looks like. But it comes in a nice little baggie. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can look at that. It runs about 17 bucks. So thanks for watching this. I'll show you how it works out, and we'll see you soon.